Melinda Haynes, license number 102308. Should I seek revenge against the narcissist? Okay, so it's true the narcissist can do a lot of underhanded, hurtful things, and we can think they really have it coming to them. True, I will give you that. However, do we want to seek revenge? Okay, so let's talk. First of all, we have to ask ourselves, do two wrongs make a right? And then if you say yes, and you move forward with revenge-seeking behaviors, then you are choosing not to take the high road. You're choosing to go tit for tat, and you need to be okay with the fact that there's always a tat for the tit. Okay, so number two, the narcissist will probably come back with something far worse than what you anticipated. Okay, so they did something really crappy to you, you take revenge, and then now they're fueled. You fueled their fire. They're ready to get even with you, and not even just get even, but hurt you more than what you hurt them. Okay, so you have to be anticipating something that's going to be far worse than anything like you planned or imagined. And then number three, you will be reinforcing the narcissism. And I know you're not doing this on purpose, but the thing is that when we do any kind of revenge behavior, all that does is remind the narcissist that their way is right. They cannot trust anybody. They're going to be hurt. They're going to be rejected. They're going to be abandoned. And so when we engage in revenge behavior, even though it might feel good at the moment and we think they deserve it, we are setting ourselves up for more of the narcissistic behavior. And then we're just engaging in this game of ongoing, battling it out. And I don't think any of us want that. That gets very tiring and exhausting. So what do you think? Have you ever tried to take revenge on a narcissist, and how did it work out for you? Leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I thank you for watching.